Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set digit to save for a big purchase. Are you planning a large purchase like a new appliance, vacation, or furnitures? Well, digit makes it easy to save gradually and intentionally. Let me show you what to do. So first you got to open the digit app. Launch the digit app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, tap goals or the savings section. So just navigate to the goals tab where you can see all your current savings goals listed. Then you're going to create a new goal. So just tap the plus icon or the add a goal button. Just choose a category like big purchase, or you could just customize the goal name to match your specific item. But once that's done, you're going to set your target amount and deadline. So enter the total amount that you want to save as well as your desired deadline. Digit will automatically calculate exactly how much it needs to save daily or weekly to hit the goal. You can customize your saving preferences by tapping settings on the goal and then choose exactly how aggressive Digit should save. You can set between normal, cautious, or aggressive, and you can also set a minimum or maximum transfer amount. Track your progress, so you can check back anytime to view a graph of your progress, or you can just adjust the deadline or amount if needed. By setting a specific goal for your big purchase, Digit helps you to stay focused and avoid dipping into other savings or credits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.